helps it around. Timmins gaps up on Robinson. Doan sends one. Ricochets away. Kept in by Power. Power to Krebs. Krebs, he gets it to Legault for his first! His first NHL goal for Charles Alexis Legault! 170 feet, nothing but net, and the Canes have a 6-3 lead.
Sometimes you can see a smile through a mouth guard that needs to be surgically removed. Goal and assist. Both the first for Legault here in this third period. Bounces that thing home. Can you see the smile through the mouth guard? Well, you bet.